Okay, we first need to go and open our Google browser. So here's the browser. I need to resize this to just get it into the window. Hang on. So this is my browser. And what you need to do, you need to log into your Google account. So that's your Gmail account. Okay, so use the larissa.vo2041 and then you need to go to Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive here, see it? So we click on this and open Google Drive. Now we can create a folder for our spreadsheets if we want. So here, let's have a look. Okay, I can't see my, let's get rid of this one. I'm going to delete. I'm going to remove this one as well. But it's going to save our Google Sheets under whatever folder we want to create. So on my drive, it's here, and going down, maybe I can create a folder, new folder. Let's call it Google Sheets. Okay, so I want it to come at the top, so I'm going to call it A Sheets for the Google Sheets. So there it is. Now, if I click on that folder, now what I want is to click New and come down here and you'll see Google Sheets. There's Google Docs, Google Sheets. Create a new Google Sheet. There it is. And here, let's give it a title. Laura's first sheet. Okay, and we'll just save it. It's all automatically saved. You don't need to do anything, sorry. It keeps saving it into your Google Drive as you type things. So here we might do have a column called name and email if I want to keep a list of people's names and emails. So John, jrw@mit.edu, you know, Anastasia, whatever, Anna. Okay, at whatever it is, Gmail. So now that's saved. If I go back to my here, you'll see it saved Laura's first sheet. So I can delete that, and if I open that, there it is again. So it's automatically saved. Okay, so that's how to open and close a Google Sheet.